Hello everyone. So today I'm going to unbox this Bose soundware. So I bought this product in Canadian store and it was about roughly $300 after tax. Here in Ontario we pay a lot of tax, 13%. And so this is the product and it's pretty good size. I think it can fit on every person's on the chest. You put it on it. So when you get this product, there's no charger. It's just one USB cable. That's all you get. I'm a little bit surprised because when I got my Bluetooth audio, they usually come with what is it called, the USB charger, but this one didn't come with it. And this one is not a Type C, and they use the micro USB like that you used to see in every Android phone. And some like what is it like how to I think it shows like instructions. I don't think I will ever use it. And this is like the guidebook how to use it. With a picture. So multiple language here. Like I see some Chinese, Korean, English, and whatever. And warranty information. Register your product now. And it wants me to register it. So that's it. So it's not that crazy package like other products. But the Bose, they sounds good. Let me connect it first and I'll show you. So let me connect it with my phone, and then I think I have to turn it on first in order to read it. I think that there's a power button here. Let me press it.
Battery 20%.
Oh.
Battery 20%. Ready to connect. To start setup, download the Bose Connect app.
And I guess I connect this Bluetooth button. Nothing happened. Press it, hold.
Ready to connect.
Alright. And I should be able to see my Bose from one of the screen here. No, actually, it turns out I need to download this app and to use it. So let me go download that first. So I found it. Now I'm gonna press the install and it will do the work for me. And let's see. So I download this app now. I guess I agree. And okay, let's location. Okay, so it's all good. Bose.
Ready to connect.
No, it finds it automatically, and then when it's a drag to connect, like this, and it says connecting.
Ready to connect. Connected to Galaxy S5 Neo.
Alright, it's connected to my phone, so let me go try. And yes. Okay. Next then we can go take a tour. So we can play music with a button, obviously, and skip the songs. Take a course. There's one button, you can do everything. So I guess if you press twice, and if you press the button once, it's in play. If you press triple time, and it's skip the songs. Oh no, if it's triple, it's go back, and then if it's press twice, and it goes next song. And you can press the button when you get a phone call. A voice control. Oh, so you can use a Siri or whatever your voice control in your phone. And you can change the volume. And you can set up the Bluetooth with the other, I guess the other device that doesn't have a like Android inside. And check this Bluetooth status. Check the battery. Try your speaker. You have to open it and then you plug it. Alright, that's cool. So let me go start first. Before I start, it actually shows the percentage of the battery in the device, so you don't have to actually press the button to hear the sound. You can tell from the app, and this app has just other like it makes the job easier. Just that's pretty much it. So I'm playing some one of Korean music I usually listen, and then when you put it just when you hear it from outside, it's just like speaker, but when you put it on your chest and it's on your ears, it sounds amazing. And this is like feel like I'm in a concert hall, or is this maybe a like really good home theater system at home, and you listen it's just phenomenal. Like this, I never had any product like this, but I don't think you can really use it in office environment or like outside. Or maybe if you just go out for a walk, yeah, maybe it would be good. But I don't think you can wear this in a like shopping mall because it's too like I think it's a little bit loud for other people. So I don't think it would be a good idea. But definitely it's good if you just want to relax at home and chill. And this is a product that you certainly should go. I think it's still better than Bose QC35. The people who don't want to have something that on their ears. So that's it today. And if you want to know like where to buy this at a cheap cost and in Canada, please leave a comment and I will reply you. And thanks for watching it today. And if you like it, maybe subscribe and maybe click the like the video thing. Thank you.